Alright, so let's move to add remarks. If you click on add remarks, we have three options. We have attendance, conduct, interest, and attitude. Then we have teacher's remark, then we have head's remarks. So now let's click the first one. Here, when you click add data, you realize that you have this, but I always advise that don't enter everything directly. We are going to use the same mechanism as we used to import the data from the school-based assessment. So I'll first of all generate the name input file. So okay, so I've been asked to please select the class. You can see. So the class, let's say basic 6, that's what you have in the system, and then B6. Then we can go back and click yes. So let's put it on the desktop. It's already on the desktop. Let's put it there. Okay. So we'll generate this one. They all look similar. So we'll select the class B6. The stream is this because we have other classes in the system. So we have to indicate which class that we are selecting or we are generating the input file for. Yes. Then we put this one too on the desktop. We can see the name. All right. Then you can go the head teachers. Select the class B6. B6. Then you can see the name in the file. So we save it on the desktop. Okay. We save. Okay, so we are done with all these three files. So what we'll do now is that we'll go back, we'll close the entire application down, you go to the desktop and open these files. If you don't close the application, you will not be able to open those templates. The Excel file, you will not be able to open them. So we need to close them, the application down. Yes, we need to save. Okay, because I did not save after importing the names. Okay, so let's look for these files on the desktop. Okay, let's open. This is for, okay, let's look at the behavior input file. So now you can see we have the names of those in the class in it. This time you don't need to duplicate it again. So here we'll just enter the attendance, the total attendance. We set the total attendance to 60. So let's say 56, 45, 45, 50, 45, 39, 38, 57, 60. Okay, there's a control on it. So we'll just 60. Now let's look at the conduct. The conduct, as you can see, you can select and fill the conduct for each of your learners like this. You can scroll down to see which one that you like. Please, you need to correct this. You can correct it. Now if you don't want or you don't have any of the remarks here that matches your student, you can type whatever you want to type. Then you can come to the attitude. This one too, you select. Don't worry, you can expand it. And then you can select all that you want to select. Then you come to Okay, so you can select your interest, any of them that you want to select for the student, each student. Okay, so after filling this, then you can just save it and you are done. This is what you give to the class teacher to fill. This columns and everything is for the class teacher. Then I can close it. Now let's go to the teacher's final remark. This is the final remark that you can do better than this. Demonstrate problem solving skills and his patience and his persistent. You can fill any of them or type any of them. After that, you just save it. Let's open the head teacher's own too. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. The head teacher will have to fill it, and then that's all. So now let's go back and open the application. Then load. Then add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where are we? Yes, here. So first we'll add. So we click here to import data from the input file. So now please select the year, the class, and the term before you continue. So you can see the year, the class, so this is 6, and then the term is term 1. So you now import, yes, it's on the desktop. So name behavior input file, that's what we are importing. Confirm. You can see